The Polaris Sportsman 570. I guess all I needed was a fuel injector. Oh, and a spark plug.